Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and install Flip Clock screensaver in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to just click on this. You have to open your browser and search for Flicklo, Flicklo, okay, flicklo.com. Search for flicklo.com and you will see that like this. Now you have to just click on this, okay, this image, and here you will see two options for downloading. Here one is for Mac and second is for Windows. Now you have to click on this download option and you will see that download has been now it has been downloaded in my system. Now click on this file and you will see like this. Here it is like a zip. Now you click right click on it, okay, and here you will see extract all option. Just click on extract all and click on extract. Now you have to just click on this flip flow options and you will see that, okay, so install option, right click on it and click on install. Now it will be installed and here you will see wait. Now you have to, you can select the time, okay, like 1 minute on resume display login screen and click on apply, okay, click on ok. Now you will see that after some time this flip clock screensaver will is installed in my Windows. So like this you can add and install flip clock in screensaver. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.